Hello, welcome to math. Today is the second day that we are going to practice converting metric mass. And as in the past with length and volume, we are going to use this handy dandy chart in front of us. We are always going to start with whatever unit they give us, which in this case is a gram. And then we are going to shift to the unit we want to convert to. So in this first example, we have 6.01 grams changing or converting into milligrams. And that's 1, 2, 3 moves to the right, which means my decimal needs to move 3 places to the right, which would give me an answer of 6,010. I would put that 0 there to move my decimal over that third space. 9.02, 1, 2, 3 again, 1, 2, 3. In order to keep my decimal place here, I'll put a 0 after the 2. 9,020 milligrams. Again, 11.09 grams to milligrams is 3 moves on my chart, so my decimal moves to the right 3 moves as well. So that would be 11,090. We'll eat up some of this blank to get my units back up there. Let's go to the second row. 1,377 grams, that's my base unit, and I'm converting to kilograms. 1, 2, 3 to the left. So in all whole numbers, the decimal point is invisible behind the ones digit. I need to move it 3 spaces to the left, which means this comma actually is going to be a decimal instead. 1.377 kilograms. 123 grams to kilograms, again, is 3 moves on the chart, 3 moves of my decimal, 0.123. 7,000 grams to kilograms, 3 moves of my decimal, which means it's going to go in front of those zeros. So some of you may type in something that looks like that. That is a correct answer, but you do not need to have the zeros and the decimal on. When a decimal goes behind a whole number, we can just leave it a whole number. Let's move to our second row. Again, in all of my examples so far, we've started with the grams. We're moving to kilograms. 3 moves to the left. 1, 2, 3. In order to keep my decimal here, or 1 place in front, I need a 0. 0.092 kilograms. In this next example, 755, my decimal currently is behind the 5. I need to move it 3 spaces to the left, just like on the chart. Kilograms is 3 spaces to the left, so I will do 0.755 kilograms. I put the 0 in front of the decimal in order to draw attention to that decimal place. Now we have 18,931 grams to kilograms. Move the decimal point 3 spots. From behind the 1, 1, 2, 3, it's going to be in this position where the comma currently is. 18.931. We would say 18 and 931 thousandths of a kilogram. And the final row of examples, we have 69,133 grams to kilograms. I move my decimal left. I would get 69.133 kilograms. Now, pay attention. We're starting at kilograms this time. We are moving this time from kilograms 1, 2, 3 places to the right to grams. So this decimal goes 1, 2, 3. Ooh, I think I'm going to need 2 zeros after that 5. 0.500, and I check to compare, is my decimal here 1, 2, 3. Oh, see what I did? Let's take that away. Instead, my decimal would be here. 3 spots moved from where it used to be in front of the 5. I do not have to put my decimal point there behind a whole number. I don't have to put any zeros behind it. I can just have it say 500 grams. And my last example is 5 7/10 of a kilogram. 1, 2, 3 to grams. That's going to be 1, 2, 3. I think I need 2 zeros behind the 7. 5700. The decimal point used to be in front of the 7. 1, 2, 3. Now it's behind that second 0 for 5,700 grams. If you feel stuck on today's assignment, you can always come back and look at these examples again. Happy working!